Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. In our today's session, we are going to have a look at the definite articles. Article défini. So in English or in French, we have three types of articles. Article défini, article indéfini and article partitive. So the definite article, indefinite article and partitive article. So in English, definite article consists of the. Where do we use that? When we are sure about something, like the car. I know which particular car I'm talking about. In that case, I'm going to use article défini. I have a car. Article indéfini. So wherever in English we are going to use a and an, a car, an apple, wherever we are going to use a and an, that thing falls under indefinite article. Article indéfini. And the third category is article partitive. So this consists of uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Coffee, water. We cannot count coffee, we cannot count water. Yes, I can count a cup of coffee or I can count a glass of water. Why so? Because I'm talking about the container, cup of coffee. Right? I can say I'm having 2 cups of coffee, but I can never say I'm having a coffee. Right? It's always I'm having some coffee. Alright, so in our today's class, we are going to have a look at article défini, the definite articles. I'm going to be uploading videos for the indefinite articles and the partitive articles as well. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated. Okay, so the first thing first. In French, every single thing has a gender. If I'm talking about water, if I'm talking about a car, if I'm talking about sky, every single thing. By every single thing, I mean nouns. All the nouns are going to have genders in French. Alright? So what are nouns? Name, place, animal, thing. All the nouns are going to have gender. So now it's going to be a tricky thing. How are we going to remember the gender of so many nouns? In Hindi also we have the same thing. Pen yahan rakha hai. Rakha, masculine gender. Pencil yahan rakhi hai. Rakhi, feminine gender. Right? Yes. The same way in French we have genders for everything. So let's have a look at how to figure out the gender. So 75% of the words ending in E are going to be feminine in gender. And majority of the words ending in ION are also going to fall under the feminine gender in French. Alright? Ending in E and ION. So let's have a look at these words. Voiture, that is car. It's ending in E, so thus it's going to fall under feminine gender. École, school. Again ending in E, so feminine gender. Situation, not ending in E, but it is ending in ION, so it's going to fall under feminine gender. Bouteille, ending in E, feminine gender. Soleil, it's neither ending in E nor ION, thus it's going to come under masculine gender. Cahier, neither ending in E nor ION, masculine in gender. Ordinateur, neither ending in E nor ION, thus masculine in gender. But this does not mean that there are no exceptions. Of course, there is a long list of exceptions as well. But that you'll keep learning with time. Okay, so let's come back to our topic, the definite articles. So how are we going to place definite articles? So in French, we have 4 types of definite articles. Le, la, L apostrophe and les. The meaning of all 4 articles is just the same in English. The. So le is also the, la is also the, L apostrophe is also the, and les is also the. Why are they in these 4 different categories then? So the reason behind that is le, le, is going to be used with all the masculine singular nouns. La, la, is going to be used for all the feminine singular nouns. L apostrophe le is going to be used with all the nouns which are going to start with a vowel or a silent H. And les is going to be used for all the plural nouns. So let's go through few examples. Le stylo, that is the pen. Le stylo. It's not ending in E, thus it's going to be masculine. So it's le stylo, the pen. Le sac, the bag. It's not ending in E or ION, so thus it's going to fall under masculine gender. So it's le sac. Le crayon, the pencil, le crayon. La pomme, the apple, la pomme, ending in E, so going to come under feminine gender. La bouteille, the bottle. La femme, the woman, ending in E, so they are going to be followed by la. L'hôpital, starting with H, so it's going to be followed by L apostrophe. L'ami, the friend, l'ami, again starting with a vowel, so it's going to be L apostrophe. L'arbre, the tree, again starting with A, that is a vowel, it's going to be L apostrophe. So irrespective of the gender, we are going to use L apostrophe for all the nouns that are starting with a vowel or a silent H. Now the last one, les. We use this for plural nouns. Les femmes, that is the women. Les femmes, the woman. Over here we have used la femme, that was for a single woman, singular. Okay? Here it is plural, women. So that's why it is les femmes. Les maisons, the houses. Alright, it's plural. Les voitures, the cars. So as I mentioned, there are going to be a lot of exceptions as well. Exceptions like la maison. It's not ending in E, still it's going to fall under the feminine gender category. Le livre, it's ending in E, still it's going to be masculine in gender. Le téléphone, it's ending in E again, but still it is going to be masculine in gender. Alright? Okay. So now let's quickly go through this short exercise and let's see if you can correctly place the definite articles or not. So pause the video over here, solve this exercise and let's see the answers. Piscine, swimming pool, it's ending in E, so it's going to be feminine in gender. La piscine. Crème, ending in E, feminine in gender. La crème. Ami, ending with an S, so that means it's going to be plural. Les amis. Voisin, it's not ending in E, neither ION, that means it's going to be masculine in gender. Le voisin. Chaise, it's ending in E, that means feminine in gender. La chaise. Avion, it is starting with a vowel, A, that means it's going to be followed by L apostrophe. L'avion. Très bien. Like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. Merci.